Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Ram Damija and today is 23rd of January and what are the market cues looking like? So GIFT Nifty is indicating a slightly bearish start for our markets, and yesterday as I had explained that the calls are still higher than the puts. So that is a slightly bearish sign. As we speak, the open interest is at 0.81 with 15.7 crore calls and 12.7 crore puts. So the calls have got a slightly higher edge as at the opening. But having said that, this is about 29 crore contracts. By the end of the day, the contracts go to about 50 crores. So that basically means 21 crore more contracts have to be added throughout the day. Now, whichever side the market decides to go, the contracts are going to be built on that particular side. So if the market tanks, then we can expect a huge call build up. If the market goes up, then we can expect a huge put build up. As of now, what it looks like was at least a couple of days back, what it was looking like that we are not going to be able to sustain the 23,000 level. And we have seen that the break has come for that. But yesterday was a kind of a counter trend rally wherein there was a decent amount of green. And you can say it was a relief rally. But we'll have to see whether we can build on that or not, because all the global cues are positive, but the options data right now is not very positive. In fact, Bank Nifty options data is even more weaker than that. So we will have to see how the day plays out, whether there is waterfall or a melt up. Either of the two is going to come today or tomorrow. I don't know, but definitely this was the 8th day of being in the same range. This range has to break, and whenever this range breaks, the movement is going to be very big on either side. So we have to be prepared for that. What are the other global cues looking like? Global cues are very good right now. So there is nothing wrong in that. Nasdaq was closed at 1.3%. US markets are making all-time new highs. The US 10-year is kind of flat at 4.6. The S&P VIX is again at 15, so which is good news for them. Bitcoin is at 102, which is indicating a risk on. The US dollar index is at 108. It had gone to 107.8 yesterday. It's back at 108.2, which is okay, which is not great news for us. Brent is at 78, which is good as long as it remains below 80. USD INR again is slightly climbing up to 86.4. Gold all-time high, one of my favorite things. It's making an all-time high 27.52, and also on the Indian markets it's making an all-time high. Silver is at 31.2. So all the cues are fine. There is no problem in the cues. US futures are slightly down, but let's see how that plays out. But our markets, we have to be very careful and see what kind of option positions are built into the market today to see which side the market direction plays out. There were a couple of results yesterday. Those results were taken out well, and the result season is going to continue. So market is going to react to that. Now what we are seeing is that any result which is in line with expectations, actually the stock falls. So the results have to be really good to hold the stocks at their level. So which basically indicates that there is a lot of bearishness in the market. And yesterday again, the FIIs have sold. Now they're close to 60,000 crore, a sell figure in January itself, which is huge. And we are somehow able to, kind of hold on to these levels. It'll be a big achievement. So that's it for me. Have a nice, profitable trading day, and I shall see you soon at the end of today's day with the post market report. Bye bye.